Just got the Wrench Workz rock lights. Got the DB automotive lighting. Oh, QR code. And let's see. Really built really well. They're all metal, pretty heavy, got some weight to them. Got good connectors. We got a sticker. I got the 8-piece kit here. So Wrench Workz sticker. We got a nice toggle switch with a fuse, like a rubberized button, like pretty good audible click. Looks like it has watertight connectors. Just the harness, little twist lock, so it'll thread on and lock up nice and watertight. It's very good quality. I'm happy with it. And the hardware is really nice. It's stainless hardware. It's got some Phillips heads. They're like flat, a washer, and then it's actually nylox, so they're not gonna come undone on you. Pretty cool. Let's see. Get that. They sit really flat. Got plenty of thread to screw into or go through whatever you need it to, wherever you're going to secure it. I'm sure you can use self-tappers on some stuff you need to with some of these washers. But yeah, get 2 per light. Comes in a little bag. Nice organized kit. Got plenty of length to reach whatever you're gonna need to reach. I'm sure I'll be zip tying some of those wires because I got plenty of length. Be going on my 2013 F350. Figured the 8-piece kit should be plenty bright, but I'll keep you guys updated on that once I get her all installed. Make another video.